Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be filming my second Valentine's Day look, and for this one I decided to keep it a little bit more simple and on a traditional route and do the red lip. So if you would like to see the end result, then please keep watching. Alright, now I've already done my eyebrows and primed my face, so for eyes I'm going to be using my Carli Babel Deluxe palette, and jumping right into it, I am going to be using this medium brown shade as my transition color. I'm taking a fluffy crease brush and just applying that to my crease. Alright, and once we have that fully blended out, I'm going to go in with my lid color, which is going to be this peachy neutral shade right here. And with patting motions, I'm just applying that to my lid, and I'm focusing most of the color on the inner portions of my eyes because I am going to be using another shade on the outer portion. Once I have that built up to my liking, I'm going to take the darkest two brown shades, which are right here and right here, and apply that to my, kind of gonna smoke out my lash line just a little bit. And to map it out, I'm going to use the lighter brown shade first. Now going in with that dark brown shade, I can start to build up the color. And I'm going to clean this up with my foundation and concealer so it does not have to be perfect right off the bat. Alright, and then I'm going to take the same fluffy brush that I used for my crease and then just blend that out a little bit so that there are no harsh lines. Alright, and for falsies, I'm using my Ardell Demi Wispies and my Duo Lash Glue in the dark shade, and just going to apply that really quickly off camera, then I'll be right back. I'm gonna move on to the face, and today I'm using my Healthy Elixir foundation by Covergirl in the color Soft Honey, and I'm just going to apply that directly to my face. Oops. And to blend it out, I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge. And sorry in advance if the quality isn't what it has been in my last videos. I ran into some technical difficulties and I had to go back to my old school filming ways, which is filming on my phone. So sorry if it's not that great. I am working on fixing my problems. Alright, now that we got that fully blended in, I'm going to move on to concealer, and I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the color 02. In the bridge of my nose. I don't always highlight the bridge of my nose, but like I do it when it's a special occasion. I want my face to look fully flawless. I'm going back in my Real Technique sponge and blending that all out. I let my under eye concealer sit for a little bit, and I'm going to move on to contour and bronzing. And today I'm going to use my Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. to blend out the under eye. Okay, and to set my concealer, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution banana powder. So far, I've tried 5 different setting powders, and this is by far my favorite. The RCMA No Color powder, it worked for a while. Like it did its thing, but I wasn't like impressed by it. The no color powders tend to still look ashy on women of color, so that's why I prefer the banana powder instead. The yellow adds a little bit of color back to your face. Setting my chin, and then my forehead, and I'm gonna go around my eyebrows a little bit because it's a little oily there. Again, we're going for a flawless space because you're trying to impress your date or yourself. Now I'm going to clean up my contour. Dust everything away. I'm going to use my e.l.f. blending brush as usual, and at the same time I'm blending the contour out so that we don't have too much of harsh lines on our face. And then underneath our eyes, remember underneath my eyes I do a combination of patting and swiping so that I don't lose the coverage. Okay, I'm gonna set my face real quick with my Makeup Revolution Oil Fixing Spray. For highlight today, I guess I'll keep it simple or keep it all in one palette and use my Carli Babel Deluxe palette again. And I'm going to wet the brush that I used to highlight. And this is the eyeshadow brush that came with the Naked 2 palette, but it's so perfect for highlighting, I promise you. I'm going to use this shade right here and apply it to everywhere that I like to highlight. Now the final step to this look is going to be lips, and I'm using my Milani Amore lipstick in the shade 22 Amore. Now it goes on glossy at first, but it dries matte, and you have to be very careful with this shade. So you have to be careful with red in general, not even just this. Alright, now while that is drying, I am going to, I did not realize my mirror was that far into the video, but I am going to finish my hair. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.